Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and welcome. And what did y'all do today? Did you customize your Fab Fit Fun? If you're an annual member, today is the day to customize. They do give you a little bit of time. Yesterday started the add-ons, and then today you customize if you're an annual member. And if you're not an annual member, if you're a seasonal member, then customization is a couple weeks away, I think. I don't know the exact dates, but they usually send out emails to tell us the dates. And also Instagram shows it and Fab Fit Fun and all. And what did you all think of the categories? Maybe I should have gone live tonight so we could talk about this, because I always say, I don't know. I used to love Fab Fit Fun. I don't dislike it, but I don't love it as much as I used to. They just have some weird stuff in the categories. Some of the categories make no sense to me, as far as, you know, they'll have a skincare item and then they'll have a kitchen item. I wish they would sort of put the skincare together, the makeup together, the kitchen items together. But then of course, then we might be, you know, saying, hey, I want all the kitchen items and I can't get them because they're all in the same category. So I guess there's really no way to please everybody. Just, you know, I'm sure once it comes and I get my stuff, I'll be happy with what I get. There were some additional items when I went in that may have been announced in the last day or two or three. You know, they were going to add some old favorites or whatever they call that, you know, and they did. And I didn't see what they were going to add because I had oral surgery yesterday. So I was a nice surprise. One of the categories, I did choose one of an old favorite. So that was nice. And that's really all I have to say about Fab Fit Fun. I did have root canal yesterday. Back on Labor Day, I was chewing on a caramel, which the dentist thought was a joke because that's what he says. Were you chewing on a caramel? I'm like, yeah, I was. I was chewing on a caramel. And my crown, one of my crowns came out. I have so much dental work in this mouth, y'all. I could have probably built a mansion. But the crown came off, and that was on a Monday, of course. Labor Day is a Monday. And they couldn't put it back in until Thursday. They were busy. So it didn't hurt at all. So I thought, oh, yeah, it's a crown on a tooth that's already had root canal. Well, no, it never had the root canal. So now the crown is older. So they may want to do a new crown. I had to get root canal, and it took 2 weeks to schedule the root canal because you have to go to the endodontist instead of the dentist. Back in the day, the dentist used to do everything, but they don't anymore. So I have been on antibiotics for 2 weeks. I have to be on antibiotics for 10 more days. They did give me pain medicine that I didn't even get filled because I don't like the pain medicine they gave me. They also gave me ibuprofen, 600 milligrams, which does help. But I've been very fortunate. It has not bothered me. You know, I have that kind of like surface pain because they do this whole construction thing in your mouth. And, you know, they have this big thing sticking out and they've got all these wires and metal pieces in your mouth, and that cuts into your gums. That's what really, you know, like my gum is raw. So that, but it doesn't hurt. It just, you know, it doesn't feel fabulous. So I'm doing really well. And thanks for hanging in with me because you know, I put up a video last night of my Goldieboxed. My Goldieboxed came in, and when you get Goldieboxed, it's a quarterly subscription, a lifestyle subscription, fantastic subscription. I pay an extra $5. That's all it is to get my box shipped first. And the last time I got it, I skipped summer. That's the other thing about this subscription that's so fantastic. But my spring box, Jess sent it out just like she did everybody else. But because I'm in a rural area, FedEx decided they didn't want to come to my house for like a week. So it was disappointing. So this was real nice to get it in a timely fashion. I did get it like a day later than the other people, but that's okay. At least the weekend didn't get involved and get in my way. But that's what Goldieboxed, I just wanted to tell you, you know, Goldieboxed, if you didn't see that video, I'll put it in the description. It's just from last night. Go see it because it's a great box, fantastic box. Jessica from Everything Proof Beauty, she has her own channel. She created this box, and she researches and researches and researches to get us fantastic products in there that are cruelty-free. very important to her, cruelty-free. And she does a lot of give back type companies, worldwide companies. A lot are in the States, but they give back when they make their products. They make money. They give back to the community and things like that. So it's a really wonderful box. It's every item is thought out, and if you are a gold bear like me, it's $59.99, and you get 10 items. There's different levels. So that's this subscription is different than any other. Jess shows us 17 items, I think it is, and as a gold member, I get to pick 7. So there are 3 exclusive items. So I think if you're a silver bear, you get to pick out of 16, and if you're a bronze bear, you get to pick out of 15. I'm not exactly sure the numbers on those. There's also a surprise bear, and you can just change up. Like back in the summer, I was trying to not spend so much, so I skipped. So all I did was skip, and I'm still a member, and I don't get in trouble for skipping, and it's just fine. And I'm back to fall to getting the gold box again. Now, if I wanted to, I could have got the silver box or the bronze or the surprise bear, and so I just wanted to tell you that it's a great box. Also, Jess has a store that you can shop at. Now, I think anybody can shop there. I'm not really sure, but I think you can. I don't think you have to be a member, but she offers mystery boxes, and I have shown some of those in the past, and they're fantastic. They're filled with products, like say that the spring mystery box. It'll be filled with the products from the springtime, and they make fantastic gifts. They're very reasonable, very, very reasonably priced, and they make fantastic gifts, and I'm sure that Jess would ship them to anywhere you want them, like in the continental United States. I'm not sure what her rules are, but if you want to send one to your mom or your sister, or your best friend or something, somewhere around, and she has a men's box as well. So it's just a great place to shop if you're looking for Christmas. What I'm thinking about now, and I think a lot of people are, is Christmas. So I've been trying to tell you about the boxes that I get, how wonderful they are for Christmas, and there's just a silver swag, 180 degree, and Goldieboxed. Those 3 boxes are local. When I say local, are United States women that made these boxes up to start sending to friends and all, and they made a business out of it. And they do a lot of research. They make sure we get fantastic items, and they have shops on their website so you can buy things outside of your subscription to send to your family. So that's what I wanted to tell you about. Those 3 in particular. Ipsy and Boxycharm and Fab Fit Fun, they all have shops, but a lot of them don't let you shop if you're not a member, and you can't just get one box, one-off type boxes, and these smaller companies let you do that, and they're personable. Like if you send them an email, they answer you, not some computer or some bot, so it's just, they're nice to work with, and they'll make great gifts for your family. Christmas, birthday, happy, Mother's Day, Father's Day, that kind of stuff. So, all right, I wanted to tell you all that. And I wanted to also tell you about my giveaways. That, I have a few giveaways going on. I have my Mass Monday with Kim's A Little of a Lot. Will end on Sunday at noon Central Time. And then this Monday is Halloween. So I'll be doing another Mass Monday with a giveaway with Kim's Happy Place. So look for that on Monday. My Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle is going on with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More. And this is our 19th battle, y'all. And then we're going to take a break until January because there's so much holiday stuff that happens November, December. So we're going to take a little bit of a break. I think we might have done that last year, but I don't remember exactly. I think we skipped December, but sorry, I'm itchy. I don't know, this whole thing. Anyway. I have my 2-year anniversary giveaway going on. Please, if you all would share me out, especially with that giveaway, let people know that I have a giveaway going on. And I may have a hidden treasure or 2. I do have a couple of giveaways that have ended, and you'll find those winner videos over this weekend. I haven't filmed them yet, but I have picked the winners. So I'll be showing those in the next day or 2. And I think that really might be about it. I just was not taken with Fab Fit Fun. Oh, yeah. One other thing that Fab Fit Fun offers now, when I was choosing today, you can pay. How much have we paid extra? They just keep raising the prices and raising the prices. Now you can pay $15 extra to get your box by November 11th. I'm not doing that. I bet you that would ruin it. Somehow it wouldn't work out because I don't get things when people promise them. Once ever in my YouTube career have I gotten a Fab Fit Fun mystery box early, and I got a ton of views on that. That was very nice, but I was missing like a main product that I never got. They gave me credit or something. For some reason, my Fab Fit Fun likes to come late. I don't know how they figure these things out. It's not by name because my last name is in the upper part of the alphabet, so I don't know how they figure it out. But I get my box late. Sometimes it's almost the next season. So, I picked some nice things. And what I try to do when I pick is I signed up again. I think the fall box was another year that I paid for, I think. So I'll get fall and winter and spring. I mean, I got fall and winter and spring and summer before I renew again. So what I like to do is I pick out things that I will like. I pick out things that you will like. I pick out things that I can use as gifts. So if it's something, sometimes even the things that I pick out for myself, I end up not using and I put them in giveaways. Or I can use them as gifts. So the lifestyle items are really nice for gifts. That's why, you see things in my giveaways, that I get from all these boxes. So anyway, I think that's really about it, y'all. I am just very, very blessed. This turned out really well. I know some people suffer in horrible pain with oral surgeries, and knock on wood, bless everybody. Dear Lord, bless everybody. And thank you, dear Lord, because, while they're doing that and I'm like this holding onto the chair and I'm praying my head off, asking please for, no pain and all. It went really, really well. A lot of times, now I don't even know, do they still give Novocaine? Whatever they give, they gave me two shots or 3 shots. Whatever they gave me froze me up. Usually I have to have, they give it to me, it freezes me up. Then they come over and they poke at you and I'm like, oh, I can feel that. So they have to give me more and then I have to wait longer. But I didn't have to this time. This time they came by and they put like this little piece of ice or something on me and I didn't feel it. So they're like, hey, we're ready to go. So it went really smoothly. It went really, really well. They sort of torture you a little bit in there. So you're sore. I'm not in pain. I'm sore. And that is normal. So, and then I was eating lunch today and I really haven't eaten much because of it. And I tried chewing on this side and then, oops, something went over them like, oh, and I could feel that. So I'm just going to have to be careful. So anyway, but that is what's going on with me. And I don't know, I might be a little swollen still here. But anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and happy Friday. Happy weekend. I hope you all had a blessed week, a good week. And there's a lot, I want you all to know this. A lot of people send me private messages or they even comment here on my videos. A lot of people need prayer. There's a lot of people that are sick right now. The flu is going around and COVID is going around. And we're not going to get rid of COVID. That's like a 365-day-a-year thing. And just other people have a lot going on. And the holidays can bring on so much for people, so much depression and things like that. So if you have any spare time in your day and you are a praying person, please just pray. Sometimes I just pray for the world, and I don't think God thinks that's stupid. I like to pray for people's names. If I have names, I will. But I'll also pray for, like in a group, my subscribers and my workmates and my church people and things like that. I do my family, I do groups sometimes, and also name individuals as well. So just, I know that you probably, if you're a praying person, you're probably already doing this. So, but it just seems, since COVID, there's been a blanket of depression around the world, and it's just sad. So, and with winter coming, that can bring on more depression. So I just, you know, pray for everybody, and hope that people have good holidays and all that kind of thing. So, all right, y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Good to see you. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.